Although cameras like the Nikon D5600 shoot great photography and videography, they do lack good audio quality. In order to keep your audience engaged, you need to have good audio quality. And I have just a solution for you. Hey, it's Mayank here, bringing you the detailed unboxing of the best technology available, just like this one. On this channel, I focus on detailed unboxings, in-depth reviews of the best technologies available, and tutorial. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. So today what I have is a VideoMicro. It's a compact on-camera microphone. So this camera is by Rode, and it comes with Ride code on board. A couple of things right away. It comes with a 2-year warranty. This is one thing I love about this microphone, is that there's no battery required. You just plug and play. It's a compact size, and it comes with a suspension mount. So I'm going to quickly do an unboxing, and then I'm going to show you how to attach this microphone. First thing we're going to do is we have to take off this plastic over here. And here we have it, the VideoMicro. Just going to open it up from the sides. And then you have your mount, cables, the quick start guide, and then we have the actual microphone as well as the furry windshield. Now, one thing I love about this microphone is you can have it directionally pointed forward if you're doing vlogging, or you can have it backwards if you're doing any video recording like I'm doing right. Super easy to put in. All you have to do is open the brackets up using your fingers, and then you slide the microphone in. And then you're going to have to take the cables that are provided, open this up. The first cable goes here, and then the other one, so I have my Nikon D5600. I've done an unboxing for this. I'll leave it up here for you to take a look at. And then you plug this into where it says mic. Here you have the horseshoe, just slide it in. And there you have it. So you can do a front-facing audio as well as a back-facing audio. I'm going to leave the link for this right below the like button. So don't forget to check this out. And if you're ever outside and it's windy, make sure you use the wind protector provided. So I'm just going to take this off. So out of the box you get your microphone. It's the same size as a VideoMic Mini, your furry windshield, the suspension mount, as well as a 3.5mm jacks. Alright, so here you have the final product. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. As always, thank you for watching. I'll leave a link for this below the like button. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.